Welcome. This will be a hypnotic trance to extract limiting beliefs and boost your self-confidence. Now, I cannot do this for you, but if you listen to my voice and follow my instructions, you will relax, enter into a calm state, and feel very good. You will always be in control. And if you're ready to proceed in the trance, just say, I am. Now find a comfortable chair to sit with your feet on the floor where you will be undisturbed for about 15 minutes. We will start with 3 deep breaths. Okay, take your first deep breath in until your stomach pushes out. And as you exhale, allow your body to settle. That's right. And with every breath out, you will feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into comfort, deeper into relaxation. Good. Now take a second deep breath. And as you exhale into calmness, into a deeper state where real change can happen easily and automatically. That's right. Now take your third deep breath. Allowing your body to settle. That's right. Breathing in pure freedom and exhaling everything old with every breath. Continue to breathe normally. Breathing in unlimited potential with every breath and focusing on my words. And let go of all that no longer serves you, that no longer belongs to you. And go all the way down, all the way deep. Keep breathing. Now focus on your body. Feel the chair below you and the air that touches your body. Now starting at the top of your head, feel a warm, soothing wave of golden light relaxing you, flowing down like honey, slowly. And as it flows down, it softens your forehead, your eyes, all the muscles around your eyes relax. And then now your jaw, it completely relaxes, releasing all the tension. This light moves down your neck, your shoulders, down your arms, forearms, all the way to your hands and fingers. It flows down to your chest, your stomach, your hips, your thighs, down your legs, your calves, and all the way down to your toes. And it's taking you all the way down, all the way deep. as you go deeper and deeper, your subconscious mind is now opening up wide and perfectly receptive. And as you drift even deeper with every breath, with every time you hear my voice, you go twice as deep, twice as calm. Now we're going to begin powerful cleaning. That's right. All those thoughts had ever told you that you were limited. Dissolve now. That's right. All the feelings of restriction may release completely. All the conditioning from the past that suggested that there was a ceiling on what you could be, do, or have is dissolving right now. Like old smoke or clouds being blown away by a strong wind. Imagine that. Pretend that you see it being blown away and gone forever. That's right. All the way down. All the way deep. Feeling better than before. Calm. Every old belief that said I can't or I'm not enough, that imposed any limits on what you could do, is all being erased now from your mind and your body at the deepest levels. You no longer carry any of that. It has no power. It never truly did. Relax. All subconscious programming that reinforced limitation is being deleted completely right now. Yes. That's right. You're doing it. Your mind is becoming completely clean, fresh, and now open to unlimited truth. Feel a deep sense of lightness and freedom as all of that old weight simply fades away. Completely gone. Your nervous system now only recognizes freedom. Only possibilities. Only your true, unlimited nature. That's right. And now, with all the limits cleared, you naturally and fully step into your unlimited version of the part of you that is the light. imagine that. Step into that. And like the sun that was there all the time, it was only blocked by the clouds. And those clouds are now been blown away. This is the real you. See this version clearly. Standing tall, moving with total ease and power. Notice the relaxed confidence in your posture. Clear, steady eyes. The natural charisma and certainty that radiates from you. Now step fully into this unlimited version now. See that version standing right in front of you and step right into it. Feel yourself merging into the image. That's right, just like putting on a jacket that fits you perfect. Locking in the frequencies perfectly. Every cell aligns. This is who you are. You don't try to be confident. You are confidence. You don't hope to achieve. You naturally achieve with power and flow. And from this unlimited state, look into your future. See yourself in 30 days from now, easily creating the results you want. Enjoying the process. Notice how people respond to your natural presence. See the goals reached, opportunities appearing, because this is simply your normal way of being. And 6 months from now, you look back and smile, knowing the old limits were never real. This unlimited version is permanent. You operate from total freedom, total capability, total certainty. And your subconscious fully accepts and installs this new program now. You are naturally and automatically unlimited in what you can think, feel, do, and achieve. That's right. Confidence and certainty flow through you effortlessly in every important area of your life. You take bold, decisive action because hesitation has no place in the real. Results come to you naturally because you now live from your true unlimited identity. That's right. Now let's anchor this state. Now that you're feeling wonderful. Press your thumb and forefinger together firmly. And feel the unlimited power surge even stronger. Lock it in. Keep it pushing together. This is your instant access. Anytime you need this to feel good and feel confident, anytime that the clouds feel like they're coming back, use this anchor. And by doing that, the full feeling of being your unlimited self returns instantly and even stronger. Your mind will continue integrating this transformation during the day and while you sleep. Your dreams and the self-talk will change, reinforcing your new identity at every level. I'm going to bring you back. And you're going to carry all this with you permanently. And you can return here anytime you want to. 1. Feeling light, clear, and free. 2. More aware, with unlimited energy, feeling better and better every day. 3. Stronger and more confident with every number going up. 4. Almost there, starting to stir. Ready to face your day in a new way. You're ready to say, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling excellent, feeling confident, unlimited. Now is your time. This is your new permanent state. Welcome back to your true identity, your unlimited self. Congratulations.